to the another mudra, which is called weight loss mudra. Weight loss mudra. The combination of three mudras is going to give a great, wonderful result for your weight loss, especially obesity control, my dear friends. Obesity control. So let's see what are these. How do we practice this? See, the combination of Surya Mudra, Shankha Mudra. Already I told you about Surya Mudra. Now Shankha Mudra is also there. Prana Mudra is there. Combination of Surya Mudra, Shankha Mudra, Prana Mudra. Surya Mudra for 30 minutes, Shankha Mudra for 30 minutes. After that, Prana Mudra for 10 minutes. So in this combination, if you practice 1 time, 2 times, 3 times per day, so your weight is going to be reduced. Your obesity is going to be controlled very much, my dear friends. So that is why it's very, very powerful mudra. Let me tell you. So there's a great advantage of this mudra. So how do we practice? Now, practicing of Surya Mudra, my dear friends. Practicing of Surya Mudra, we have already seen. Now, so that is practicing of Surya Mudra. Okay, practice Surya Mudra. This is one. Now, Shankha Mudra. How do you practice of Shankha Mudra? See here. Now, keep this right hand like this. So, take your left thumb, touch the base of the right thumb. Touch the base of right thumb like this. Keep at the base of the first. Your left thumb must be at the base of the right thumb. Keep it here. That is thyroid point, thyroid gland point. Now close your all fingers onto the left thumb covering. Okay. Now touch your forefinger of left hand, the index finger to the thumb of the right hand. Then all other 3 fingers on the back of the palm. See, this is called Shankha Mudra. It's called Shankha Mudra, my dear friends. Observe here, Shankha Mudra. Okay, so once again, see here like this. Take the left thumb. This is the right hand thumb, the beginning of right hand thumb, base of the thumb. With this thumb, you just touch here and keep it like this. Then close all the 4 fingers covering the left hand thumb. Then your left hand index finger and right hand thumb, both tips must be joined. Okay, and after that, these 3 fingers will be on the back of this. This is called Shankha Mudra. How it looks? Like a Shankha. You know Shankha? We use Shankha for making sounds, isn't it? So you have to keep on the thighs and practice. Okay. Now, so friends, the Shankha Mudra is so powerful. Okay. So what is the meaning of Shankha? So with Shankha, we do a lot of sound, isn't it? Sound waves. What does that do? The sound waves, when we make sounds, the sound waves will go and kill all the negative elements in that vicinity. That is why in the olden days, even the temples now also, they used to put the Shankha. They make sound with that Shankha. So it's very, very, so we, always we try to feel that it is so sacred tradition in our Hindu philosophy, my dear friends. Okay. So that's how the Shankha Mudra. So what exactly Shankha Mudra does is, so it put a pressure on the thyroid point. Here is the thyroid point. By this, it will put some pressure will be applied on the thyroid point here. Thyroid gland is there. Okay. So with this, what will happen is this is get activated. Once the thyroid get activated, your hormonal imbalance will go. Thyroid problem will go. The moment thyroid problem will go, your obesity will come down. Okay. So this is how it is going to work. It's a wonderful mudra, my dear friend. At the same time, try to remember this mudra is going to purify 72,000 nerves which are connected to your navel. Your navel has got the connectivity of 72,000 nerves. From all parts of the body, it comes and end there. Okay. So by doing this mudra, all the 72,000 nadis will be purified. Understand what kind of science, such a great science which is invented by our rishis, mudra therapy, my dear friends. Okay. And also, so this mudra makes your voice melodious and clean also. That's why this mudra must be practiced by most of the speakers and most of the musicians, vocal singers, all these people. You must keep doing this. Whoever is going to give more and more speech, always try to do the Shankha Mudra, which is going to improve a lot, my dear friends. At the same time, so anybody who is suffering with the stammering problems, all these things, so definitely you can use this. Your all throat problems, your tonsils and throat problems will be easily removed. Okay. And at the same time, this helps especially increasing the height in the children. If the children start practicing this, their height will be increased, my dear friends. So even certain extent, what will happen is going to help you for a paralytic attack. For example, paralysis attack happened. The speech is not coming. The speech is not coming properly. Please use this mudra. Please use this mudra minimum 3 times per day. So whatever the way I told you. So in that aspect, what will happen? You don't need to practice the Surya mudra. With all these things, I'm telling about Shankha mudra. What are the benefits, other benefits of Shankha mudra? I'm trying to tell you. So in only Shankha mudra and Prana mudra, followed by Prana mudra, you practice, all these great other benefits are going to be received by you. Okay, my dear friends. So by practicing in this combination, your weight loss will be ensured and your weight loss will happen. So we keep practicing this. Okay, this is what about the weight loss mudras.